Hello everyone, myself Dilip Udani, and today I will teach you this topic, that is mathematical comparison and membership operators for list. So let's start. First of all, we will see mathematical operators for list. We can use plus and star operators for list objects. So first of all, we will see plus operator, that is also called concatenation operator. We can use plus to concatenate two lists into a single list. How? I will just make you understand with the help of example. So here is the example. In list A, we have taken three elements, 1, 2 and 3. In list B, we have taken three elements, 4, 5 and 6. And then after C equals to A plus B, will concatenate list A and B into a single list C. Print C. So what will be the output? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on run button. Now you can see the output, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. To use plus operator, compulsory both arguments should be list objects. Otherwise, we will get type error. How? I will just make you understand with the help of example. In the list A, we have taken three elements, 1, 2 and 3. Then after in list B, what we are doing, we are adding the elements of list A to a list having only one element, that is 4. Then after print B. Then after C equals to A plus 4. Here in list A, we are going to add the integer value 4. Then after print C. Now what is the output? For this one, B equals to A plus 4, it will give us the output, the elements of list A, that is 1, 2, 3, and the element of this list will be converted into a single list, and it will give us the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. But we cannot add an integer value to a given list, so it will give us type error, can only concatenate list, not int to list. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program over here. Now I will just run this program. Click on this run button. You can see the output. For print B statement, we have output 1, 2, 3, 4. And for print C statement, we have type error. And what is that? Can only concatenate list, not int to list. We cannot add an integer value 4 to list A. Now we will see second operator, that is repetition operator star. We can use repetition operator star to repeat elements of list a specified number of times. For example, in the list X we have taken three elements, that is 1, 2 and 3. And we write down y equals to x star 3 and then after print y. So what will be the output? The elements of list X will be repeated 3 times. So the output is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and finally 1, 2, 3. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program for you. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. Now you can see the output. 1, 2, 3 is repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and finally 1, 2, 3. Now we will see comparison operators for list. We can use comparison operators for list objects. Whenever we are using comparison operators, that is equals to, not equals to for list objects, then the following should be considered. The first one is the number of elements, the second one is the order of elements, and the third one is the content of elements. Just keep in mind that the contents of elements are case sensitive. Now I will make you understand this concept with the help of example. See, in the list X we have taken three elements: dog, cat and rat. In list Y we have taken same elements as in list X, and in list Z we have taken same elements, but you can see the difference. Here we have all capital alphabets. Here you can see that all the elements of X and Y are same, but the elements of X and Z are not same. The elements of Y and Z are not same. Print X equals to Y. It will print output as true. Why? Because all the elements of X and Y are same. Print X equals to Z. It will give us the false result. Why? Because all the elements of X and Z are not same. Print X is not equals to Z will print true. Why? Because the elements of X and Z are not same. So the finally output will be true, false, true. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program. Now I will just run this program. Click on this run button. You can see the output over here. You can see that all the elements of X and Y are same. So print X equals to Y will give us true. Print X equals to Z will give us false, because the elements of X and Z are not same. Here O and G are in small letters, where here O and G are in capital letters. Print X is not equals to Z. It means the elements of X are not equals to Z. You can see that the elements of X and Z are not same. It means, just keep in mind the concept of case sensitive. So it will give us true as output. Whenever we are using relational operators, that is less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, between list objects, only first elements comparison will be performed. For example 1, in the list X we have taken three elements 50, 20, 30. In list Y we have taken 40, 50, 60, 100 and 200 as elements. So what will be the output of print X greater than Y? So it will compare the first element of list X and list Y. Here the first element of list X is 50 and the first element of list Y is 40. So is 50 greater than 40? Yes. So it will give us true. Print X greater than or equals to Y, it will check the first element of list X and Y, and it will check whether this 50 is greater than or equals to 40 or not. If yes, it will give us true, and otherwise it will give us false. So definitely 50 is greater than 40. So the output of print X greater than or equals to Y, it will be true. Now similarly, print X less than Y, 50 is less than 40. So it is false. So output for this statement will be false. Now finally, print X less than or equals to Y, 50 less than or equals to 40, that is false. So it will give us output as false. So the output is true, true, false and false. Now I will show you the output of this program in PyCharm. See, I have written the same program over here. Now I will just run this program. Click on this run button. You can see the output over here. For print X greater than Y, 50 is greater than 40 is true. Print X greater than or equals to Y, 50 is greater than or equals to 40 is true. Print X less than Y, 50 is less than 40, that is false. Print X less than or equals to Y, 50 is less than or equals to 40, that is again false. Now we will see example 2. In the variable list X, we have 3 elements, dog, cat and rat. In the list Y, we have 3 elements, rat, cat and dog. Print X greater than Y will compare the first element of the list X with the first element of list Y. It will compare with the first letter only. So it will check whether D is greater than R or not. So in Python, for every characters and alphabets, we have a Unicode value. The Unicode value of D, that is less than the Unicode value of R. So print X greater than Y, it will give us false. Similarly, print X greater than or equals to Y, again it will give us false. Print X less than Y, so the Unicode value of D is less than the Unicode value of R, so it will give us output as true. Similarly, print X less than or equals to Y, it will give us true as output. So the finally output is false, false, true and true. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same program over here. I will just run this program. Click on this run button. You can see the output. Print X greater than Y. It will compare the first element of list X, that is dog, with the first element of list Y, that is rat, and it will compare the first letter only, that is comparison of D with R will be done. It means it will compare the Unicode of D with the Unicode of R. Unicode of D is less than Unicode of R, so definitely this print statement will give us false. Similarly, in the remaining print statement, we will get the output as false, true and true. Now we will see membership operators for list. We can check whether element is a member of the list or not by using membership operators. So first one is in operator and the second one is not in operator. I will just make you understand these membership operators with the help of example. So in the list N, we have taken these 4 elements, that is 10, 20, 30, 40. Now print 10 in N will check whether an element 10 is present in the list N or not. So 10 is present in the list, so it will give us output as true. Print 10 not in N. Here 10 is present in the list, so it will give us output as false. Print 50 in N. 50 is not in the list N, so it will give us false. Print 50 not in N. 50 is not there in the list N, so it will give us true. So here is the output: true, false, false and true. Now I will show you the output of this program in Python. See, I have written the same program in Python. Now I will just run this program. Click on this run button. You can see the output. 10 is present in N. Yes, it's true. 10 not in N. No, it's false. So the output is false. Print 50 in N. 50 is in list N. No. So the output is false. Print 50 not in N. Yes, 50 is not present in list N. So it's true. So the finally output is true, false, false and true. So in today's lecture, we have seen mathematical comparison and membership operators. And we have seen various examples based on these operators. Thank you for watching this video.